Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. We did it! Let's place the windows and doors. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. We did it! First, we need to assemble paver. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Paver. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's start building the road. Now we need to wash it clean. Paver. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing! First, we need to assemble